research has shown that our supervisor has as much impact on our mental health as our spouse does.
Wow.
So having support from our supervisor that is actually supportive is huge. But another thing is our colleagues. And are we creating an environment that is collaborative, and interdependent in our teams, even in more competitive industries? We can have a culture that has good sportsmanship versus a cutthroat nature to it. And so what does that look like to make sure that our team members are supporting each other? But another thing I find really important about the social support is also the individual's ability to plug into those systems. Because sometimes it's really hard to ask for help, and it's really vulnerable to receive help from others. You have to open yourself up to even communicate that you need support. And so the way that we create our workplace culture is going to increase the psychological safety and make it more accessible for individuals to help each other in that company. So that when stress gets high, no one feels like they've been abandoned by their team.
Right. Wow. So there's so many layers and elements to the social support. You're talking about leader support, but also collaboration, team support, but then the added element of knowing how to plug into that support, but then also being willing to ask for the help and want it or look for it. Wow, that's rich.
Yeah.
There's a lot there. And it is, I've seen that same research on leader support and mental well-being. And I know that you and I have both had experiences in our career, because we've talked about them, where leader support was not there.